Happy Monday. This is Market of the Moment, Monday, February 3rd, 2025. I'm wearing my Yes Chef t-shirt today. Have you watched The Bear? I love The Bear. And I love the idea of Yes Chef. Everyone is a chef in that kitchen. That's how we operate on our team. Everyone is a leader, and through their leadership, we collaborate to make magic. Now, what's happening in the market? The Fed spoke last week and they left rates alone. Mortgage interest rates went unchanged last week, which means your conventional loan, you're looking at high sixes. FHA and VA, you're looking at low sixes. The tariffs were announced, didn't seem to change mortgage interest rates, so that's something that we will continue to watch. You might remember that last year, some of our lender partners had an $8,000 grant program. Well, that program has now changed in 2025. Last year, you could get up to $8,000 towards your closing costs, is like free money. And there was no income limit, like literally no income limit. They figured that out, that maybe that wasn't the smartest thing to do. I think maybe it was awesome, but anyway, they have changed it. The loan or the credit limit now is $7,000, free money, $7,000. However, the income for the joint applying or single applying person for that mortgage, income must now be at or below that town's median income level. So just keep that in mind. You go to apply for that. Whatever home you're trying to buy, they'll look at the median income level for that town. And if you are at or below that, then you would qualify for that free $7,000. Our lender friends are saying that pre-approval requests were up this last weekend. They're very strong. They think that that is due to the coming inventory that we're all hopeful is coming to market soon. Speaking of inventory, if you're not seeing very many signs in the yard, it's because, well, we see a spike in January. A lot of people hold off until after Super Bowl. But there's also this idea that some brokerages have that you should not put your house on the market. You should just allow that brokerage to sell your house to one of their buyers. I really want to push you to think about the pros and the cons of that. Yes, it might create the idea of ease, but by not exposing your home to the entirety of the market, are you actually getting the best offer the market has to bear? So an exclusive listing or like a 3-tier marketing plan, I'm not sure exactly what it's called. If your home is sold off market, then is that really in your best interest? Or is that brokerage hoping to get both the listing side and the buyer side? Does that brokerage want to double dip? Our fiduciary duty to our sellers is to provide for them the best offer, not our offer, but the best offer that the market has to bear, which is why we firmly believe in coming to the multiple listing and casting the widest net possible. Will we sell a home exclusive? Absolutely. Sometimes there are privacy needs, there's timing needs, there's confidentiality needs. We will make that happen because we've got the buyers too. But we're always looking for what is best for our sellers. So keep that in mind. Inventory, we hope will be coming. And yet, if we don't see as many signs hit the yard, it might be because some sellers ended up doing an exclusive listing. We never saw it come to market. Now, if you're looking for homes, something else I want you to think about is you should not be looking at homes at your max budget. Because what we are seeing is that most list price to sale price ratios in New Jersey are anywhere from 4% to 35% over the list price. So you need to give yourself a little bit of room to move up, right? So if you say $1 million is your max budget, you really want to be looking at houses from $699 to $850, right? You really want, or wait until you see that a home that was priced at an aspirational level and did not sell, if they end up languishing on the market for a few weeks, then that would be the time to come in and take a look and see if you can negotiate. But we want to honor your budget. We never want to push people beyond their max. And so we really want to start at a place that keeps that in mind. So truly, you want to be looking at homes well below your budget that has enough room to move up. Last but not least, I know a lot of people are going to start seeing some January and February listing sale numbers out there, and they're going to be scratching their heads because they cannot believe where prices are going. And yet, I want to remind you, if you take the long view of real estate, we know that for the last 50 years, home appreciation has been at an average rate of 4% a year. So it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market or time owning your home, right? You can count on between 3 to 5% appreciation year over year over year over year. And if you look at our particular area in northern New Jersey for the last 20 years, we are nowhere near the price levels that we should be at if you go back to 2005 and you look at those prices. Because 5, 6, 7, and then it crashed in 8, right? But those prices from 5, 6, and 7, if things had kept going at 4% without the Great Recession, we're not where we should be, even with the jump in prices through the pandemic. So with that in mind, I just want to give everybody a little bit of peace of mind. If you're out there house hunting, prices historically are not even where they should be. So don't let it scare you off. All right, we have a big event this weekend. Saturday is our collab with the Maplewood Mercantile to collect donations for Los Angeles fire relief. All you have to do is show up to the Mercantile this Saturday from 10 to 5 and just bring the random gift cards you've got laying around your house or your phone to make a direct donation. And by coming in to donate those gift cards or those direct funds, then you'll get to enter into a giveaway. And we have all kinds of giveaways. So you'll get to choose. Do you want to donate and enter this one and donate and enter that one? Maybe you want to donate to enter tons of them. But follow us on the socials to see all the amazing small businesses who have contributed their goods and services. And be sure to come in on Saturday from 10 to 5 to the Maplewood Mercantile. There will be surprise performances. The first 75 people will get goodie bags. Abel Baker's going to be there with cookies. It's just going to be a great day. So we hope to see you there. Make it a great week and stay warm. Bye, y'all.